I designed this satisfying manual shifter fidget toy to pay homage to my last car, which I recently sold. I plan to turn this into something I could actually use in a racing sim, but for now, this was the design process. I needed to emulate the motion of an actual shifter, so I decided to use a rod end bearing for the main pivoting mechanism, as this felt the easiest to implement. Then I designed the housing for the bearing, centered it, and then attached it to the base. Honestly, I was just improvising throughout the whole design process and just built everything in stages. The next step was to design the main body and the gated top. Then I printed the shaft, which is when I realized I would need some sort of auto centering mechanism for the shifter, so I decided to implement rubber bands which would provide the required elasticity to center the shifter. But then I realized I needed a mechanism to keep the shifter in position when put into gear, so for this I used magnets. And with that, the design was pretty much complete. We can now put the shifter into first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and of course race mode. Definitely stay tuned for the future of this project because we have big plans for it, which is why